Hello friends, I'm back! So today, magti-taste test naman tayo ng maraming flavor ng drinkable konjac jelly. Nabili ko to sa Teso Life when I went there last time and I have 4 flavors. Sa totoo lang, I don't know what these are, but na-curious lang ako kasi ang cute ng packaging and then it was very cheap, like I think for $1 or less than $2 each. And I'm all for trying out new things. So, I googled and sabi ang konjac daw is like, it's a plant. So, mostly galing sa konjac root yung jelly. Or I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, anyway, let's try it out. First up is watermelon and it says 2 calories. 2 calories lang? Wow, so 2 calories lang the whole thing. Kakatakot. Oh! Oh, parang juice. Okay, masarap tong watermelon. It does not taste like watermelon at all. That's weird. Ito, mas mataas na calories, 6 calories, and it is grapes. So, by the way, I put them in the freezer, and then, nung nag-thaw na siya, ito, saka ko lang titikman. Oh, okay. Basically, it's juice, and so far, parang magkakalasa silang lahat. Weird. Okay, apple with 3 calories. Okay. Mas lasang apple itong apple. And then last but not the least, orange. Oh, okay. Orange is at 4 calories. So as far as taste, mas lalasahan ko yung true flavor ng orange and apple. Orange is 4 calories, apple is at 3. And then, titikman ko ulit. Let me try again itong watermelon. Hindi ko talaga malasahan yung watermelon. I'm gonna try grapes again. Very subtle na taste. So, that's it for today, guys. Drinkable konjac jelly. I heard that you can actually, parang inimin mo siya after workout or like a meal replacement. Kung hindi ka sobrang gutom, you can just drink this and then you're okay. And sobrang baba ng calories nga niya. For today though, I'm gonna finish off the apple one. Yun lang guys, bye!